Today we are going to do circle division. Circle division means divide a circle into equal parts. How to divide a circle using protractor. Fifth class we studied how to divide a circle equal part using set squares. Do you remember that? Okay. So first question is divide circle into 5 equal parts. Okay. For that, first we have to understand degree measure of a circle is 360 degree. That means we know that what is angle. So total angles of the circle is 360 degree. Total angle of this total measure is 360 degree. So if you want to divide this circle into 5 equal parts, so first we have to do 360 degree divided by 5. So we know that 7 5s are 35, 2 5s are 10. Now 72 degree. So one angle is 72 degree will come. This is 72 equal. So that means one angle 72 come. If you divide this circle into 5 equal parts, one angle will come 72 degree. Okay. Let us start our division. Okay. First, you have to draw a circle with any radius. You can draw any radius, okay, using compass. Then you have to draw a radius. You know that this is the center of the circle, okay. Then measure the angle 72 degree. Center coincide this line. Then measure 72 degrees. So we can see that you have to take the inner scale. Okay. Then we know that here 72 degrees coming. Okay. Then draw one line. Next, again take 72 degree. Is coming here. Then draw one line. Again take 72 degree. Okay, now we got this circle divided into 5 equal parts. If you join these sides, what you will get it? Yeah, last year we studied 5-sided figures are called the pentagon. Now you got a pentagon. Understood all of you? Next question. Divide the circle into 6 equal parts. So first divide 360 degree divided by 6 equal parts, so 6. 6 6 are 36, then 0. So we got 60 degree. Okay. So we know that if you divide this circle into 6 equal parts, one angle will come 60 degree. Okay. So let us divide with the set square. For that, first you have to draw a circle with any radius. Then you know that this is the center of the circle. Then draw one radius. After measure the 60 degree. Always find the inner scale. Okay, 60 degrees coming here. Then draw one line. Again mark 60 degree. Again take 60 degree. Always coincide the center and this line. Okay. And again mark 60 degree. Okay. Now we got the 6-sided 6 equal parts. Okay. So one angle means 60 degree. So one angle is 60 degree, that means all angles 60 degree. So total 360 degree. So each angle is 60 degree. Okay. So six-sided figure we got this. If you join these, we will get six-sided figure. So six-sided figures are called hexagon. Okay. Understood all of you? നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും റഫ് ബുക്കിലോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പേപ്പറിലോ എവിടെയും ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുക, അതിനുശേഷം ബുക്കിലോട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ആദ്യം തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾ ബുക്കിലോട്ട് വരാൻ ചിലപ്പോൾ കിട്ടിക്കോണമെന്നില്ല, ഇത് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് വരയ്ക്കുക. ഓക്കെ. Last class one problem is remaining to draw these triangles. So this is the rough figure. So now we will do this question. Okay. For that, first we have to draw this middle line, center line, that is 6 centimeter long. Okay, this is 6 centimeter. Okay, next we know that here one angle that is 20 degree. So measure your protractor, take your protractor and measure it and mark 20 degree. Then the 20 degree is here. Then here also you have to measure 20 degree. Here the 20 degree. Okay. Then join these lines. This is 20 degree. This is also 20 degree. Now we got this portion. Okay. Next you have to find the down. The same procedure. Find 20 degree. This angle is 20 degree and this angle is also 20 degree. Okay. Then നിങ്ങൾ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിലോട്ട് വരയ്ക്കുക. Okay. Thank you.